Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Varun Thakur and I am currently pursuing my MTech from IIT Bombay in the Department of Electrical Engineering. In this video, I will be sharing my test and interview experience for MS by Research at IIT Madras. So before I start, let me give you a short introduction to the program. MS by Research is a 2 to 3 years master's program offered by several departments at IIT Madras. It is a research oriented master's program in which the student has to complete 4 to 5 courses and devote rest of the program duration on research thesis. These courses are to be selected in consultation with their research advisor. The research advisor is chosen for each student based on the research area and the preferences of the students and the faculty. Applications for MS and PhD are invited twice a year. I had applied to MS by Research in the Electrical Engineering Department of IIT Madras, and in the application form I had to give my preferences of the specializations in which I wanted to apply. For admissions, GATE papers of electrical, electronics and instrumentation are eligible to apply for this program. Candidates are shortlisted based on the GATE score, and the GATE score cutoff for this program was around 600 for the general category. For almost all the specializations in the electrical engineering department, there was an online written test followed by an interview for final admissions. The top preference that I had given was for EE1, which is Communications, Networks and Signal Processing. Some of the research areas of this department include computer vision, deep learning for communication, wireless communications, biomedical image processing, etc. I will provide all the relevant links in the description below, so please check them out and have a detailed look at them. Now let me share some of the details about the test. There are around 6 specializations in the electrical engineering department, and all of these specializations had a different test. This was a proctored written test. The test paper was uploaded on Google Classroom and the candidates had to join a Google Meet link while giving the test. At the end of the test, the candidates had to scan and submit the answer sheets. The syllabus for the written test depends on the specialization that you choose to apply. I had applied for the communication and signal processing specialization, so the syllabus of my written test included signal and system, digital signal processing, probability and linear algebra. The test had a mix of easy, moderate and difficult questions. This test round was not a shortlisting round for the interviews. All the students that had given the test had to give interviews as well. The final admission was based on the aggregate of the test and the interview score. My interview was taken by around 4 to 5 faculty members. They started the interview by asking about my area of interest. Then they started asking questions on probability, linear algebra and digital signal processing. They started from basic questions in all of these topics and then slowly increased the difficulty level. My test and interview went well and I also received an admission letter from IIT Madras. Now let me share some tips that would help you get selected in such programs. The first tip is to go through the program webpage and do some basic research on the programs that you want to apply. And also go through the research areas of the faculty members of that department. This will give you a hint on which topics to prepare for your interview. In the interview, the professors are asking questions from a subject that you have not prepared. Then you can tell them that you have not prepared for this subject, and you can also tell them the subjects that you have prepared for. In most cases, they will first ask you which subjects you have prepared, and then they will ask questions on that subject. For the test, it is best to go through all the topics which are mentioned in the syllabus and also go through all the resources which have been provided. This will get you a good score in the test and maximize your chance of getting selected in the program. This is the end of the video. I hope this video gave you a good idea about MS at IIT Madras. Please let me know if you have any further questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.